Okay, these are support drones. Shoot them down for various bonuses. Be careful. Something's coming. My radar's being jammed. You can choose your difficulty. Red is harder, but gives bigger rewards. You can always use medkits to heal yourself. Try it now. Let's get our birds involved. Call for an incoming airstrike.
Copy that. We are on our way. No need to thank me.
Hell yeah. This is how you roll.
Welcome to the armory. Here's where tap the weapon slot to equip a gun. Choose between UMP-45 or MP5. A special offer awaits when you go. Now get a mag upgrade. It ain't great. Now select the second magazine upgrade and speed up the delivery. Tap fight now. Let's clear the area. Your current progress is shown right here.
Kill him!
Let's clear the area. Need more firepower for this one. Call for an airstrike inbound.
Have them right in my sights. Area secured.
Who's next? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Now listen carefully. You'll need to collect to earn stars. You must complete these missions. Tapping on the mission name shows the objective. You'll also be rewarded experience, money, and even medals. Tap on the item slot to equip supporting items. Tapping on the med kit will equip it for the fight. The plus sign increases the number of support items.